Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition. Yes, it's Sunday, July the 6th, 2024. We have here in this weekend edition two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku we have here. I will solve this one in a minute. The Samurai Sudoku, this one I will solve tomorrow evening. And we have here a puzzle page of the Saturday, 6 extra puzzles, the 2 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the Tectonic. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, this evening. Tomorrow, we have here an additional, that's good news, additional. Let me show you the additional. An additional with 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but tomorrow afternoon. But now I will do the medium Sudoku, and in the evening 4 of these puzzles in the puzzle page. Alright, this one will be number 8851. Yeah, 8851. Let me zoom this. Double 851. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 27 printed digits. A puzzle with 3 stars has always 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see. How about? This one, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2, 2, 6, 6, okay, Alright. Need 1 here. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have 7 and a 3 in the last column, so no 7 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Alright. 2, 2. Okay. So we have in this row 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, or there. We see another 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 4, 7, okay. Then need a 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the last column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. 9, 9, 8, 8. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4. Should be there. 7. Alright, and now I need a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. And there can be a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this row should be there. 5, 5, need a 3, need a 7. Okay, now, 2, 5, 4. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 9, 9. And I need a 2 here. Come on. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes at there. 9, 3, 6, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3, 3, okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 7. 1, 1. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row. Second row. No 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in mid row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 7. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. Wow. 1, 2, 3, and the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the row below, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. Well, we have 1 and 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Alright. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 and the 9 and the 8. Okay, 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Need a 6 here, I need a 2. Well, we have a pair, the 2 and the 6 in this row, the 2 and the 6 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column. Number 1, 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 30 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be at 0 stars. 0 stars. I need to be faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.